Okay. What are you doing right now?
I'm getting a trap that was frozen in a creek.
Oh, what kind of trap is that?
Wolf.
What trap? Show them. Yan. Alam niyo ba guys, ano yan? Wolf trap. Yan yung panghuli niya ng mga lobo dito sa Alaska. We're going for a date daw. Going out for a date in the wilderness of Alaska. So, nandito kami sa trapline ng asawa ko. Trapline ay kung saan siya nanghuhuli ng mga ligaw na hayop dito sa Alaska. Yes, legal manghuli ng hayop dito. Just like this hayop right there. His name is Blue Sun. Where are you going?
I think his lodge is right here in the bank.
Oh.
I don't know if he got froze out.
Oh, that one is part of the lodge right there?
I think the lodge is right. Be right in here. Like, this is probably his feed bed. When I was out here, this was all covered in snow. I think.
Dumadaan siya dito sa loob. Oh. Papasok doon sa ilalim ng tubig. Blue, what are you doing up there? Huh? What are you doing? Go find the beaver. Wanna get in the hole? Go find him under the water. Yeah, get in there. Yeah, get in there, Blue. So, ganito yung itsura ng beaver dam. Yan, gawa yan ng beaver. Pinagpuputol yung mga kahoy at gumagawa siya ng dam. Yan, yung ginagawa niya. Tapos, yung tubig na iipon dahil tinutumpukan nila dyan ng mga kahoy at mga dahon. What else is in there? Sticks, leaves, mud.
Rocks.
Grabe yung beaver, parang mga engineer. Yan.
We're across, and the trail's over on that side of the creek now.
And then go out that way.
Yeah, we left back on the trail.
So, lakad tayo dito. Puwera hulog sa malambot na ice. Ice pa naman ito. Okay, we made it. Tawid tayo sa tulay na gawa sa kahoy. Who made this?
People who widen the trail so that could.
It's still good. I hope. It looks really old.
Four-wheeler across it.
Gawa sa mga kahoy. Okay. Oh, look at the water flowing. It's just thin ice on top. How deep is that?
Oh, you wouldn't want to step in that, buddy. You go right through. Nope. Boom, boom. Come on.
Ganito kapag nakapag-asawa ka ng explorer. Kahit saan ka nang dadalhin. Oh my gosh. Yellow ka dito. Puwera danlog. Puwera dulas. Oh, yan. Are you sure it's stable?
Oh, it's all right.
Okay. Oh. naman tayo. Peragaba. Hadlok ako mga bulakos. Saan pupunta ng asawa ko? Naghahanap ng beaver na mahuhuli. Ito yung tinatawag na pussy willows dito. Ang daming willows dito. Yan. I'm doing okay. This one is nag-open na siya. Ayan. Sumuko na ako sa paglalakad. Napagod na. Si Blue tsaka si Jerry na lang dun. Ay, yung asawa ko yung umakyat papataas. Ako, nag-stop na dito kasi nakakapagod na rin. At ito yung background ko dito. At saka dinig ba yung agos ng tubig. Ayan. Galing yan sa kabundukan sa mga natutunaw na yellow. Ayan. You're back! You're back for Mom, Blue? Did you come back for me? Oh, good boy! Ito, may nakita kami mga buto ng moose. Ayan. Oh, malaki na mga buto. Tagal na to. Kaya nilang patayin yung moose kahit na mas malaki sa kanila. Mga buto. Nandun pa. Oh my. Ayan. Ayan. Buto ng moose. Alright. So, nandun yung aming four-wheeler. Ayan. Ay, nakakahingal. Dahil pakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng bahay ng beaver. Okay. So, okay lang, frozen pa naman dito. But, yan yung bahay nila. Made of mud, putik, tsaka mga kahoy na pinagpuputol nila. So, parang dome yan, ganyan. Tapos, nandyan sila sa loob. Galing sa ilalim tubig, tapos papasok sila dyan. And then, there's another one right here. Pero itong isa, mukhang matanda na. Old na lodge. Ah, it looks old. Looks like there's trees growing on it.
It's old, but they got their hole down the middle.
Oh. Ayan, oh.
It looks like
Grabe
they tried
mga
plugging it all back up.
pinagpuputol nila na kahoy, oh. Talim ng mga ngipin ng mga beaver. So, yan yung isa at yun yung pangalawa.